Welcome to Kindertail Garden.
Hello everyone. Today we are reading I Like the Rain. The book is written by Sarah Nelson and is illustrated by Rachel Oldfield. I like the rain, pitter-patting through the green, washing all the petals clean, tapping on my nose and cheeks. This is how the rain speaks. I like the rain, falling down in sheets and cool, refreshing silver streaks. I like rainy rivers in the street and jumpy puddles for my feet. I like splattering and splashing. I like running, leaping, laughing. As rolly-rumbly skies are coming, I like distant storm clouds drumming. Bolts of lightning, flishing, flashing, booming, bashing, thunder crashing. Peeking out from under cushions, watching rainy, rushing oceans. I like it too when storm clouds pass and sunlight beams in through the glass. Then through a million drops of rain, the sunlight paints its rainbow stain on white, wet clouds. I like the rain. The end.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.